नमस्कार. आजच्या नवीन व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं स्वागत. आज आपण पॉइंट्स टू बी ऑब्झर्व्ड व्हाईल सुपरवायझिंग दी आरसीसी वर्क्स, 15 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट ॲस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ कॉन्क्रीटिंग प्रोसेस, चेकलिस्ट फॉर साइट सुपरविजन ऑफ कॉन्क्रीटिंग वर्क्स. तर कॉन्क्रीटिंग वर्क करत असताना कोणकोणत्या गोष्टीकडे लक्ष द्यायचे आहे, चेकलिस्ट आपण आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहणार आहोत. मित्रांनो, व्हिडिओ आवडला तर जरूर लाईक व शेअर करा व आपण या चॅनलवरती नवीन असाल तर चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करण्यास विसरू नका. चला तर पाहूया आपण द 15 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट ॲस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ कॉन्क्रीटिंग प्रोसेस, चेकलिस्ट फॉर साइट सुपरविजन ऑफ कॉन्क्रीटिंग वर्क्स. पहिला मुद्दा जो आहे तो शटरिंग स्टॅबिलिटी. The shuttering and centering should be checked for proper level, alignment and their support. If the supports are not strong and stable, it may collapse during concreting works. This can be serious safety concern and leads to wastage of time and material. Before and during concreting work, supervisor person should observe the stability of all shuttering and centering supports. Second, releasing agents. Proper planks or plates should be provided. These planks or plates must be properly oiled or should be verified by site engineer. If the plates are not properly oiled, the surface of concrete will get damaged during streaking plates and cause difficulty during this process. Further, it leads to poor surface finish. Number 3. Sealing. Gaps in shuttering plates shall be properly sealed by mortar, rubber, etc. and should be checked thoroughly. If not sealed, it leads to leakage of concrete through gaps and gives improper finish. Number 4. Placing reinforcement. Before commencing concreting work, the reinforcement details should be verified as per the drawings. Bar diameter, cutting length, lap joints, beam column joints, column extension lengths at footing should be checked thoroughly. Improper detailing and placing leads to poor functioning of structural elements or even collapse of the structures. 5. Reinforcement cover. Reinforcement cover is one of the most important aspects of concrete work. The reinforcement bar should not be exposed to atmosphere and the minimum recommended cover should be provided. Proper spacer blocks or bars should be also provided. If proper cover not provided to the steel rods and are exposed to air, it leads to corrosion of reinforcement and rust formation. Finally, it causes swelling of concrete and loss in strength. स्लॅबसाठी 20 to 30 mm कव्हर असणं आवश्यक आहे. बीमसाठी 25 to 35 mm कव्हर असणं आवश्यक आहे. कॉलमसाठी 25 to 40, फुटिंगसाठी 50 to 75 आणि शेअर वॉलसाठी 25 to 30 mm रेन्फोर्समेंट कव्हर असणं आवश्यक आहे. नंबर 6. रेन्फोर्समेंट सपोर्ट्स. Enough number of chairs must be provided while laying reinforcement. It holds the reinforcement in position and maintain the top and bottom cover to the reinforcement. If enough chairs are not provided, the rods may get disturbed or the spacing of rods will be not uniform. During concreting work, the reinforcement loses its position. Number 7. Material supply. Availability of adequate quantity of cement, sand and coarse aggregate at site should be ensured before construction. If enough material are not available during concreting work, it may cause work disruption and undesirable construction joints. Number 8, embedded in concrete. Embeds and concrete inserts like fan box, insert plates, anchor bolts and hooks are to be checked properly, anchored and placed. If these are not checked properly before concreting work, it's difficult to achieve these after construction. Number 10, mixing location. Ensure proper access for labor and materials for the location of placement to mixing needs to check and minimized. If the distance is not maintained, it can slow down the work, reduce the workability of concrete, setting of concrete. If it is not possible to maintain it, proper admixtures must be used to ensure workability and delayed setting of concrete. Number 11, joints in concrete. The construction joints must be properly planned in advance during the concreting works. If not planned well, concrete may cause cracks in the surface, loss in structural integrity, and poor durability. Number 12, proper curing. In order to attain complete strength to concrete, curing is very important. To ensure that proper curing can be done, the condition of pump, water tanks and water availability need to be checked. If above facilities are not available, the concrete curing will be affected and affect the strength of concrete. Precaution. Number 13. Following arrangement should be properly planned in advance for the unforeseen concrete drying situation. Placing wet bags over concrete, providing of curing compounds like admixtures. If the above facilities are not available, the concrete gets dry and the nominal water for hydration is reduced and the concrete does not attain the desired strength. Number 14. Protection of concreting. Precautionary arrangements must be planned well in advance to protect the concrete from rain. Immediate exposure of concrete to rain before initial setting time will affect its final setting, and exposure during concreting will change the consistency of concrete. Number 14. Pouring of concrete and compaction. The pouring concrete height should not be more than 1 meter or 3 feet in order to avoid segregation. If the distance is more than 1 meter, it leads to segregation in concrete and leads to voids in the concrete work. After pouring, concrete must be properly compacted and finished. तर आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये इतकंच. थँक्यू. धन्यवाद.